Good morning, 8th grade. We are continuing to check our test study guide. On Friday, you were supposed to have finished chapter 11, so now it's Monday for you all. It's still Friday for me, so sorry, I'm confused. And we will check what you were supposed to have done on Friday. So the rest of chapter 11. Also, now I can't remember who it was, but made a really good point on the LMS board class wall that you don't have Geography Project 9 to study. So I attached to Friday's and to today's LMS a blank Geography Project 9. So you can use that to study. You'll have to go back and find the places, or you can just, point to it as you're finding those places. On the computer, print it off, however you want to use it, but that is on there to help you, because I realized that was a problem. Okay, so we had made it through the people for chapter 11. Remember, the good thing about this is if I go too fast, you can pause me as much as you need to check your answers. But places 4 is Liberia. Liberia became Africa's first black republic, if I can type. And that's the only place that you needed to know. Next is terms. Terms 2. Terms 2 is circuit riders. Give me a second to find circuit riders. They are the evangelists that went on horseback, conducting church services. Yeah, you can see all that. Conducting church services on the frontier. Trying to look through the camera and type. It's quite interesting. Terms 8. American Bible Society. And that wasn't it? Yep, American Bible Society. Society organized in 1816 to distribute Bibles to frontier families. Let me scoot this up a little bit now that I can. There we go. Terms 11. Terms 11 is the Negro spiritual. Not a lot of you, there's about 4 or 5 of you, I guess, that got this wrong on the, Quiz 21, I think. The Negro spiritual is America's greatest contribution to the field of music. The Negro spiritual also was used to help convey messages about how they were going to be able to escape later when we get to the time of the Underground Railroad. But the Negro spiritual was the greatest contribution to the field of music. Dates to remember. 1810. What happened in 1810? That is the year that America's first foreign mission board was founded. The other date is, and that is multiple choice. The other date to remember is 5/1858. And in 1858, that was the year that the treaty, this is also multiple choice, treaty was signed. I'll lose my place, that opened Japan to Christian missionaries. Then some extra questions. I'm just going to put extra question 1. Which state was the first to outlaw the use of liquor? That is Maine. Extra question 2. What was the greatest influence of the Second Great Awakening? Let me find that one. I'm not sure I remember exactly what they were going for. Oh, one of the sentence questions. Should have known. Many people were burdened to share the gospel and to bring social reform. One of the sentence multiple choice ones. And then the other extra question, which is also a sentence multiple choice. How are all false religions alike? They teach that salvation is gained by works. And that is it for chapter 11. So your homework will be to do, for tonight will be to do Simple Solutions 63. You'll check 63 and 64 tomorrow. Finish the test study guide. Tomorrow, we'll finish checking the test study guide. The test will be closed book on Wednesday. I am trusting you all to study right up until the time of the test. Then put all your notes and everything away and take the test. The good thing about this is you can literally study cram right up until the second you take the test and then put everything away and take it. So I will see you tomorrow when we check all of the chapter 12 questions. Have a great rest of the Monday.